set, go.
Good morning, sleepyheads!
Come here! Inuubo pala si Mia. At sinisipon siya, pero malapit na mawala yung ubo at sipon niya. Papa Chef.
I woke up at 4 AM and made something.
You bake? Wow. What's that? Focaccia?
Yeah.
Dimitri bakes. Bake focaccia. He woke up early and baked this. Joke! It's store-bought. Coffee. Food for baby sis. We're just gonna heat it in the oven. We're gonna cook boiled egg as well. And the boy is eating something there. What are you eating? Alright, breakfast time.
Perfect.
Boiled egg. Si baby sis, hindi siya kumain masyado. Kaunti lang yung nakain niya. Papakainin ko siya ulit mamaya before kami pumuntang embassy. Yuri, dali! Alright, let's eat breakfast guys kasi after nito, punta kami ng embassy. What's the time of our...
DFA natin dito.
DFA. Sa DFA pala kami pupunta ngayon, hindi sa embassy. After tomorrow na kami sa embassy. Or no, not after tomorrow. Pagkarating na nung sister-in-law, pupunta kami sa embassy. Kasi today, punta lang kami ng DFA para magpa-authenticate ng aming mga dokumento. Ito, fruit. Ang egg. Good. Go ahead. Live your life and leave me alone. High five. High five. High five. No, high five, Papa. High five. Good. Yeah. High five, Papa. High five. High five. Like this. Like this. High five. High five. Shy. She's shy. Let's give baby sis her daily vitamins. Yummy. Yummy. Okay, let's go to JFA.
No. Appa, you give it back to me. Appa, you give it back to me.
Ligo na. Ahay, ang attitude ni Yuri ngayong umaga. Bad mood. Bad mood siya ngayong umaga. Baby sis. Buti pa si baby sis. Good girl lang. Say bye-bye. Say hello. Wave. We're waving. We're waving. Come on. Our Grab is already here. There's a cat. Look. Good morning. Baby. Meow. There's a meow. Pakulap kuya. Lapit lang pala kami dito sa Grand Venus Canal.
надо найти. А, вот, это GFA.
We're at SM Mega Mall. We're going now to the GFA office. Grabe ang traffic, tas maulan pa. Si Mia, nakapag-nap siya kanina sa sasakyan. Si Kuya, irritable siya today. Hi! Hi! Si Baby laging nagwe-wave-wave dito. Nagwe-wave siya sa mga tao. Alright, we're done sa DFA. Yung documents ko lang yung napa-authenticate, yung marriage certificate at birth certificate ni Mia and my NBI clearance kasi kailangan namin yun. Tapos yung kay Yuri, namali si Dimitri ng pag-book online, kailangan pala under sa name ng applicant. So kailangan namin mag-apply ulit for Yuri and for Dimitri. Akala namin okay lang under one name. Yung napabook namin under my name lang. So, kailangan namin bumalik ulit dito. Makakuha yung authenticated document ko sa, October 8 na. Tsaka yung kay Amelia, kailangan namin yung birth certificate niya sa pagkuha ng kanyang passport at pag-apply ng citizenship on October 8 din. So, medyo alanganin kami sa oras kasi 11 a.m. dapat nandun na kami sa embassy. Tapos, October 8 din yung pagkuha namin. October 8 din yung dapat kunin yung birth certificate niya dito sa DFA. So, we don't know. We're very short in time. But, so, maghahanap lang kami ng makakainan dito, guys. Kasi nagutom kami. Kaunti lang yung nakain naming breakfast kanina. So, we're gonna try their new option na may drop-off option sila dito na hindi na pwedeng okay lang na hindi magpa-appointment. I-drop off mo lang yung documents dito. Pwede mo din ipa-deliver kung taga-san ka. Try namin yun kasi pag magpapa-appointment pa kami ulit, kailangan maghintay na naman kami ng 1 month na may vacant na. Kasi yung sa amin, yung pinabook ni Dimitri, 1 month din namin hinintay yun.
I didn't understand exactly how it works, so it's good at least I make few appointments.
Yeah.
Okay, like in different
I think no food in this corner. It's the end. It's like all electronics things here. Look, we need... Sa ground floor daw yung pagkain. Mga kainan, food court. So this is SM Mega Mall. First time namin dito. I think si Baby gutom na din. Third floor. Let's go. Kuya, go. Excuse us. Kuya, follow me. Thank you. So third floor ang kainan. Restaurants. She said there are restaurants here.
It's in our position. It's convenient when somebody talking.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Very, very nice. Hi. Baby sis said thank you. There's Uniqlo here, Papa. Our favorite. One of our favorite. Baby sis is always waving at everybody here. She's greeting everyone. There is KFC. You want KFC or something else? Something healthy. I'm tired of eating fast food. Shop here. Oh look, baby, for you. Oh, we're gonna go there later. So many beautiful dresses for baby. I'm gonna buy dress there for baby. Oh, look, banana. Chicken, banana.
That's enough, Mama.
Oh, that's enough. That's right. Good boy. That's enough. Only one toy lang. Very good. Nakapili siya ng motorbike na toy.
He wants this banana.
Here, French baker. Blueberries. Hello. So, are you happy with your toy, Kuya? For 5 minutes. Happy for 5 minutes.
What is that?
Lasagna. You wanna try Papa's lasagna?
What is that?
Beef lasagna. Don't teach him crazy. Hi, baby! Mag-playground si Yuri. Maghahanap kami ng playground for Kuya. No, wow, so cute. Ang ganda ng mga design. Okay lang, nakapag-shopping kami. Clothes for Kuya and for baby sis. Cute ng mga dresses nila dito. Even the clothes for the boys. Ang cute. Ganda. Wala kami ganitong store sa Dumaguete. Ang ganda sana kung meron kami nito doon sa Dumaguete. Ang ganda ng mga clothes nila dito. Ang gaganda. Nabudol? Nangalot. Makati yung ulo ni Papa. Very good. Kuya is so useful na. Don't let her go. Maulan. Muulan pa rin. Medyo malakas ang hangin. I think ito na yung sinasabi nilang bagyo na dumating dito sa Luzon, sa northern train. It's a train! May pupuntahan pa kami and after nito, balik na kami sa aming Airbnb kasi sleepy na ang bata. Are you sleepy? Huh? Are you sleepy na? Kiss mama lang. May pupuntahan kami dun sa may isang DFA drop-off office. Try namin yung drop-off nila na option sa pagpa-authenticate ng document if totoo ba yun? Kasi may nakita kami online na pwede siyang i-drop o pwedeng walang appointment. Where is it? Is it far? Baby sis, say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Wave? Can you wave? Hi! Can you wave? Bye-bye!
Wow.
Super tired. We're in that Grab car now. We're going to somewhere in Luneta Park. So we're just gonna pass by Makati. Si baby sis knockdown. Kanina pa nag-knockdown ang tagal namin lagi para makapag-book sa Grab. Say bye-bye! Say hi! Nakakatawa si Mia, guys. Every time na nasa labas kami or makarating kami sa bagong lugar, nagwe-wave siya ng kanyang kamay. Tapos pag may nakita siyang tao, nagwe-wave siya. So dito kami sa may Double Dragon Plaza Tower, yung pa-authenticate ng NBI lang pala yung pinaprocess nila dito. Kala namin pwede yung birth certificate ni Yuri. So babalik na lang kami dito next November naman kasi anyway, hihintayin pa namin yung NBI ni Dimitri na kapag-apply na kasi siya sa Dumaguete. From application date, 15 days pa bago makuha yung NBI niya. So kaya babalik na lang kami dito sa November, and then sa November din ipaprocess na lang din namin yung authentication ng birth certificate ni Yuri doon sa DFA na pinuntahan namin kanina. Yan ang bata. Sobrang pagod ni Mia sa araw na to. Kuya is watching Netflix. Are you done eating, Kuya? Why? You eat na. Okay, Papa is having dinner here. How's your food, Papa?
The best.
The best? I also chose the most delicious one. It's bibimbap bowl, I think. Or no, it's I forgot, basta Korean siya. Meron siyang kimchi, mga veggies, tapos chicken. Tapos kanina guys, bumili din pala kami ng mga vitamins dyan sa Watsons. Kasi kailangan ko ng iron. Yung stress tab ko nakalimutan kong dalhin. So bumili na lang ako ng bago. Tapos water for baby sis. And ito pala ibibigay ko sa teacher ni Yuri for kasi Teachers Day nung Webes. Kaso wala kami nung Webes. Absent si Yuri guys for a week. Binigyan lang siya ng mga activities ng kanyang teacher to study dito. And so kaya wala si Yuri nung Teachers Day nung Webes. Pero ibibigay namin to pagbalik. Ayan, for Teacher Lovely. Ito naman para sa akin, para hindi ako iwan ni Dimitri, magpapaganda ako. Para hindi siya maghanap ng ibang sexing magandang babae.
Sexy magandang babae?
Yeah. I said I will do this makeup. I will make myself pretty so you won't leave me for a sexier and beautiful.
You're already sexy and beautiful.
Even without makeup, yeah? You like natural? Because so many people commented like I have to always, maybe not do makeup, but put. Yeah. I can take care of myself. No need to really put makeup. I actually don't like makeup. Maybe just some lip gloss and some just lip gloss, lipstick, and that's it. That's enough. Alright, so I'm gonna magdi-dinner lang ako. Anong nangyari sa vlog ko? Mix na to English, Bisaya, Tagalog, Russian. So tomorrow, dahil wala kaming schedule tomorrow, magpapahinga lang kami. Lilipat lang kami sa bagong Airbnb naman. Tapos magpapahinga lang kami. Whole day talagang umambon at umulan dito sa Manila. At napaka-traffic talaga kanina guys. Na-miss ko na tuloy ang probinsya. Walang traffic doon. Ayan, ito pala yung nabili namin kanina guys na mga damit ng mga bata. Polo shirt. Ito yung kay Mia. Cute. Cute. Ito naman, pants ni Yuri. Si Yuri ang pumili niyan. Malaki-laki siya, pero at least masusuot niya ito ng matagal. And may belt naman siya. Tapos ito, si Dimitri din pumili. Ay, ako ang pumili nito. Blue na polo for Yuri. Pang pair niya sa kanyang pants. And may isang short din for Yuri kasi wala siyang masyadong short na kasya sa kanya. Yung mga short niya, maliliit na. Ito naman, isang polo din for baby sis. For 12 months up. Kasi gagamitin niya to pag mag-a-apply kami ng Russian passport niya. Ito yung susuotin niya para sa kanyang Russian passport. Formal.
And I wanted to talk about why we want to try to move somewhere and try to live somewhere else.
You're already talking about that? I never talked in my vlog.
This here is first time.
So I should say it.
Because
maybe tomorrow on my vlog.
Yeah, we're processing a lot of documents, and it's not only for Russian embassy or something else. Yeah, we're just considering to
Move to another country.
move. But we want to try. Why we want to try? Because
Well, we were young
first.
first.
Honestly, we feel very comfortable. But I know this feeling from my previous life. If I stay too comfortable, nothing changing. Like
It's not
you
challenging
need,
anymore.
when you're leaving this comfort zone, you're growing. But if you stay in your comfort zone, you're just stuck in it. Regret. I would never came here to the Philippines if I would not leave my comfort zone. I was very comfortable there in Moscow. Everything was nice, but it was scared to go here. And only here I met my future wife. We have two wonderful kids, and my work also increase. I have the best work, my job. I mean, the best job what I had, what I even could imagine.
You're earning way better than before.
Yeah, and I do what I really like, and of course because of you guys also watching us,
Yeah.
Russian channel, English channel, Tagalog.
Kuya, you do.
You know you.
You're naked. It's all because you left your comfort zone.
Yeah, and now we also feel this, like we still have energy, we're young, and we can give our kids something else to choose in their life. We want to try to get another citizenship, and they will have bigger choice for education, for work, and
Better healthcare there.
they can learn new language, and
Yeah, new language for them.
while still they're young, they can also easily adapt to new environment.
Language, new environment. New life.
Where is better education, medicine, maybe, and something like that. Just to try.
Just to try, but if we don't like it, we can always come back. We have land, we have house here in the Philippines.
It's like in game, like we safe already. We're safe on some way.
We have
like,
a safety net.
Yeah, we can always come back, and our house will still
Our land is always there.
Yes.
But we want to grab other opportunities somewhere.
Yeah, so we want to try now. We'll take tourist visa first for the country. We will not tell what the country because we don't know what is in future. We don't want to jump ahead. So,
but for now, we can tell you that we're trying to move to another country.
But we cannot hide it because we're processing a lot of documents.
Yeah, you're probably wondering why we came here and process so many documents.
So yeah, we will try at first like tourist visa, and from there we will apply for long visa.
So, nag-edit ako ngayon ng video namin dito sa vlogs namin, series of vlogs namin sa Manila. Actually, we're currently in Cebu now. Dito naman kami nag-travel. Papasyal namin ang kapatid ni Dimitri dito. Gusto ko lang klaruhin na ito nga ang plano namin. Na main reason talaga na gusto naming lumipat sa mag-try na lumipat sa ibang country dahil main reason is para sa future ng mga bata, mas magandang oportunidad para sa kanila, more better education, better healthcare doon sa pinili naming bansa. And for now, hindi na muna namin sasabihin kung anong bansa kasi hindi namin alam kung ma-approve ba ang visa namin or hindi. First kasi mag-apply kami ng tourist visa, and then try na namin, pag nandun na kami, try namin doon na kami mag-apply ng for longer visa. And sa mga nagtatanong po about sa mga alaga namin, si Dimitri gusto talaga niyang dalhin ang mga alaga namin, lalo na ang mga aso. Si Marshall, si Baka. Si Churny kasi guys, matagal na siyang, minsan na lang umuwi sa amin. Umuwi na lang siya mga once a week or twice in a week. Kasi nandun na siya sa ibang kapitbahay namin sa may baba. Kapitbahay nila Ate Abloy, na may 2 babaeng aso daw doon. So, palaging nandun si Churny kasi may girlfriend siya doon at may mga puppies na rin siya doon. Pero inaalagaan naman din siya doon kasi mahilig din daw sa aso yung kapitbahay nila Ate Abloy. Tapos, umuwi naman siya sa amin, hindi pa namin siya na-pasteurize, kaya nandun siya, naghahanap talaga siya ng babae. Pero nandiyan na naman siya namin ng anti-rabies. Always namin siyang, updated naman yung anti-rabies na injection. Kaya lang, simula nung nagka-girlfriend siya dun sa baba, minsan na lang siya umuwi dun sa bahay. Pero si Dimitri nga, gusto niyang dalhin yung mga aso, lalo na si Marshall at saka si Baka. Pero hindi namin mapapromise na madadala namin sila kasi mas mahabang proseso din yon, and hindi namin sure kung magugustuhan ba talaga namin doon. Subukan muna namin tumira doon mga 1 taon siguro pag na-approve yung longer visa namin. Tapos siguro magde-decide kami na kung mag-for good na ba kami doon, or hindi naman siguro for good, pero kung doon na kami mag-decide once na nasubukan na namin doon na kami mag-decide kung gusto ba na talaga namin doon na tumira ng mas matagal. Kasi hindi po namin ibebenta ang aming lupa, ang aming bahay. Always nandiyan ang aming bahay, aming lupa. Ang parents ko doon titira sa kubo na ginawa nila doon sa amin. Tapos, pwede din silang magtayo pa ng ibang matitirahan nila doon. Basta may kubo na sila, may kusina sila doon. Tapos si Ate Abloy doon pa rin magtatrabaho sa amin, mag-aalaga sa mga pets namin, mga pusa, aso, and mag-maintain sa aming bahay. And ang mga kapatid ko, doon na rin mag-aaral kasi sa Dumaguete yung isang kapatid ko. So, doon na rin siya titira sa amin. So, may maiiwan sa amin na mag-alaga din sa mga aso. Rest assured na maaalagaan sila. Kung hindi man namin sila madadala doon sa lilipatan naming bansa, we will always, of course, make sure na maalagaan sila. Nandyan si Ate Abloy, nandyan ang family ko. And nakakalungkot pag pag hindi namin sila madadala kaagad. Pero we will try our best na madala talaga namin sila doon. But we'll just not promise you guys, but rest assured na kahit hindi man namin sila madala doon, ay maalagaan sila doon sa aming bahay. Kasi meron pa rin naman kaming bahay at lupa. And may mag-aalaga pa rin sa kanila. And yung mga pusa naman, kinuha namin yung mga pusa na yun for the purpose na may mag-maintain ng pagkuha sa mga daga sa aming bahay. Kasi nga, diba, may problema kami dati sa mga daga. Ngayon, wala na kaming problema dahil sa mga pusa. And pwede naman sila dun lang sa bahay. Actually, nasa loob ng bahay yung mga pusa namin. Safe sila. And palagi silang aalagaan ni Ate Abloy at ng family ko. But si Dimitri, gustong-gusto talaga niyan dalhin ang mga aso. Tapos may na-inquire na siyang agency na maglilipat ng mga pets. Pero ano siya, talagang sobrang mahal. So, kung madadala man namin sila doon, hindi sila madadala ng silang lahat kaagad, pa isa-isa siguro. So, yun lang ang gusto kong klaruhin guys. Kung meron pa po kayong katanungan sa decision namin, kung kaya naming sagutin, kasi magtitira din kami ng information na para lang sa amin na hindi namin i-share kasi for privacy. Kahit vloggers kami, irespeto din natin yung privacy namin. And kung masasagot naman namin, ay kaya namin sagutin, wala kami problema na i-share yun. Alright guys, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa panunood. Abangan nyo ang mga series of vlog namin sa Manila, sa Siquijor, sa Cebu. Currently, nasa Cebu kami ngayon at nag-i-edit ako ng vlog while natutulog ang baby girl. Ayun, nagising na siya. So, alright guys, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panunood sa vlog na to, and sana mag-subscribe kayo sa aming channel kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe, and mag-ingat po kayong lahat, and see you on the next vlog. See you on the next series. Bye-bye!